Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the LavieVert 15.6-inch laptop bag. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So we do that by unzipping the ziplock on the side and just making sure that there's nothing else left in the packet. We can now set it to the side, and this is the LavieVert 15.6-inch laptop bag in blue. It comes in 3 other colors as well: black, khaki and purple. So obviously this is the blue one. And just giving you a close-up look, an all-round look as well. So this can accommodate up to a 15.6-inch laptop. And the material of this bag is cotton canvas as well as Crazy Horse PU leather or faux leather or artificial leather, which is the brown parts that you see on the bag. So giving you a close-up look at the hardware as well, the metal hardware. And the stitching detail, and of course the grain detail and the texture of the cotton canvas as well. So nice close-up look right there at the hardware, stitching and all the fine details that make this laptop bag what it is. And there we go, some information on the hang tags as well. Alright, and as you can see, it does come with a carry handle. And of course, I do believe it does come with shoulder straps as well, but just giving you a look all round anyway. And the zipper detail as well, so we can see the LavieVert branding on the very cool looking zipper tab. Okay, so you can see the hanging loops are right across diagonal from each other across the bag. So very interesting design right there. Instead of being on both ends, they are right across diagonally on either side of the laptop bag. And on the bottom, of course, always good to know if there's any kind of protection at the bottom. So this is just a clean looking bag there with the canvas, cotton canvas base. And just to show you that close-up detail of the texture. So quite tightly woven canvas, of course. And of course, I'm going to show you that zipper as well. Once again, we see that consistency with the LavieVert zipper tab. And let's go ahead and unzip that front compartment there, just to show you what it looks like. So you can see it does have a kind of grayish lining to it, and it does go reasonably deep, not all the way to the base of the bag, but close enough, or perhaps ending somewhere around that area. Okay, so that's one of the compartments, and let's look at the opposite side. So you can see, I would assume this would be the front of the bag, seeing that there is the LavieVert branding over there, embossed on the faux leather, faux Crazy Horse leather, with its very textured and waxy graining or waxy appearance. And this would be the reverse side of the bag. Okay, so one side and the other side, of course. And just to give you some idea of size, just placing my hand on the bag right there, giving you some sense of scale and perspective. And now let's go ahead and, of course, undo the side so that, just showing you as well, just discovered that it does fasten down the ends with the zip tab or zipper. Right there, giving you a close-up look right there. And on the opposite side as well. So it does lock down on both ends to give it that nice clean look. So just going to quickly fasten it again. Right there, snapping it down. So how we originally unpacked. So both ends up, let's unzip. You could hear that nice zipper action and showing you the insides of the 15.6-inch laptop bag. Right there, nice close-up detail, and we can see there are some documents that come with the bag, or what appears to be a document. So what is this? So it does have a pop-out mouse pad, so a pop mouse pad. Very interesting. Seems to be a bonus extra with the laptop bag. Okay, we can set that to the side. Seems to be just a kind of travel mouse pad or mouse mat. So nice, good look. And both the compartments, so you can see there is a central split there with a Velcro strap down right there to keep your laptop locked down instead of jiggling around too much. And we can see that there is a shoulder strap here. Just set that down, as well as a packet of desiccant or silica gel to keep the laptop bag nice and dry in storage. So there we go. So I'm gonna set the laptop bag right down again to have a better overview with the additional contents that we've just removed from it. So right there, with the strap as well. So nice and clearly laid out right across the tabletop right there. Okay, so now going back in once again, this time giving you a slightly closer look at the different sides or compartments inside the bag. So in terms of material wise, both ends of the bag right here, no padding on the outer cover, but there is this central foam layer which is about a couple of centimeters thick, but nothing on the inside of the sides. And to show you that compartment on the side here, there are two pockets here. One perhaps for a mobile phone and pen, and the other for a notepad or whatever little mod cons or little items that you might have. So right there, giving you a sense of scale once again, hopefully, right there, with my hand, giving you some perspective right there. And in terms of depth, you can see it does go all the way to the bottom of the bag. More on this side, which is the bigger side, does go all the way to the bottom, whereas the laptop compartment with the strap down is slightly smaller on this end. Okay, I'm just going to give you this close-up look of the shoulder strap as well, and making some adjustments there just to keep things tidy. Right here you can see the shoulder strap, also in a cotton canvas material with some accents of that crazy horse polyurethane leather or artificial leather or faux leather right there. Okay, so pretty nice matching hardware in terms of color right there, you can see. And once again, it comes in 3 other colors. So this is the blue version. There is a black, khaki, and purple. And let's turn it around to the LavieVert side right there. So 15.6 inch maximum fitting on the larger compartment, slightly larger compartment without the strap, of course. With the strap, it does accommodate up to a 14-inch laptop. So slightly smaller on this side because it doesn't go quite as deep. However, this bigger compartment with the two side pockets there is the larger one that goes all the way to the base of the laptop bag. And of course, over here, I do have a Lenovo L440 14-inch laptop. So it is about 3 centimeters thick, or 2¼ inch thick, and it is a 14-inch laptop. And what we can do, of course, is place it in the LavieVert 15.6 inch laptop bag. And let's see how we go. So we're going to put it, of course, in the smaller compartment. So you can see how it fits right there. Oops, that's the larger one. Beg your pardon, I kind of missed. That's the smaller one. So a nice tight fit right there. Nice and snug. And of course, you can strap it down and lock it down right there to keep it nice and secure. And we can always zip it up. And just to show you the sides, so there is a gap in the bag right there. So hopefully your items are secure enough so that they don't fall out. So always secure your little loose items in there. And I'm going to set the laptop bag down. So right there with the Lenovo 14-inch laptop in the smaller compartment with the strap down right there. And obviously the larger compartment here accommodates up to a 15.6 inch laptop. So the dimensions of the bag goes up to 15¾ inch in size in terms of the external dimensions of the bag, and it is 11 inches in height. And thickness wise, it is about 4 inches thick in terms of the bag dimension right there. Okay, so you can see obviously if this laptop could fit in the 14-inch strap down compartment, it's got no trouble fitting in the larger 15.6 inch compartment right here, as you see right there with the two pockets. Okay, so the only padded area of this laptop bag is this central split right here. And like I mentioned, it's about 2 centimeters, or actually slightly less than that. Right there is a thin layer of foam. Okay, and we can go ahead and zip that right up. And give you an all-round look once again. So that's the LavieVert 15.6 inch laptop bag. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!